So here's how you can put your own pictures on the Apple Watch face. Let's get started, and if you are new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe, and that way you will not miss anything important. So what you need to do is to go to your iPhone, right, and open up the Watch application, which is, on the synced iPhone, from which you can control all of these settings for the watch. And at the bottom, you have the face gallery, so you can browse so many different styles and types of watch faces. But one of them, upon scrolling down a little bit, it's sorted alphabetically, but you get to the photos, right? So you can find it like this, and it is specifically for the pictures from your gallery. So you can go to your photos and literally just pick the pictures, right? So by default, it's going to be shuffle. So perhaps it will select some random photos from your gallery, but you can specifically choose photos. It's going to open up the gallery and you're going to browse your photos, and you can choose the picture to be part of your watch face, right? So you pick it like this, and then you get to customize the rest of the watch face. For example, you choose the text size and style because perhaps the photo has the subject at the bottom, so perhaps you don't want to cover it, so you choose the time at the top, or the other way around. Depends on how you like it. You can change the numerals and font and whatever, but just make sure that you add this to your watch faces by tapping the add button, and that way you'll see that the watch face has been added. So on your watch, you'll be able to see the picture that you have selected, and it will get the job done. So obviously you can switch to any other watch face whenever you want, but that's how you can add and put your own pictures on the watch face. So let me know in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, so that way you will not miss anything, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next upcoming videos.